I love you, Ken. I love you. You're my husband. I won't let this tear us apart. I'm not leaving my husband for anybody in the world. I won't. I won't.
Is my meal ready?
Yes, baby. It is. I'll get it.
Okay. Be fast about it.
Sure. Oh, I can't poison my husband. I love him. I can't.
What are you still doing here? You want me to die of hunger?
No, baby. I was just going to go serve it. No. Sorry.
What is this? What is this? Is this for me or for the dogs?
Honey, there's nothing wrong with the food. I don't understand what you're saying.
You don't understand. You're asking me a question. Alright. I'm done with this. Listen, you are leaving my house right now.
It hasn't gotten to that now. Why are you saying this?
You want to kill me with this? What's this?
But there's nothing wrong. I meant to say that.
Move. Out! Get out of my house.
Please.
Get out. Look.
Don't do this.
What? What is it? Honey? What is it?
I had a dream.
A dream?
Yes. You brought in another woman and you asked me to leave.
God forbid.
Baby, please don't let this dream come true. It will kill me.
Honey, I will never ever leave you alone. I won't leave you alone, okay? It's just a dream. I'm right here with you.
I felt so real.
It's a dream. It's okay. It's okay. Come. Just a dream. It's okay.
Who is that? Ike, is that you? I mean, how did you find me?
What are you doing here? Huh? What is going on?
Sweetheart, see, I am trying to see if I can get money from him. You know we need money.
Baby, you are wasting a lot of time. You don't have any time. Huh? Come on. Do you really want us to travel again?
Sweetheart, I know what I am doing. Trust me. I do.
Then try harder. Huh? Make it fast. We don't have time. Huh?
Okay, it's good that you're here.
Come here. Let me take you inside. Huh?
Alright.
Come on. Where do I hide? Where do I hide?
Listen, you are my cousin, remember,
yes.
Okay?
Your cousin? Yes.
Dress up, wear your shirt.
Yes. I am your cousin. Alright.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Good.
Hold on.
Good morning.
Who are you and what can I do for you?
Is Ike inside?
I said, who are you? You almost broke my door.
I'm sorry about that. Ike comes back telling us stories.
Okay, Austin, I will tell him. I will let him know.
Alright. You must be his sister.
His wife.
That's nice, his wife. I will take my leave now.
Just go. I will let him know you came. I don't even know the guy. I'm sorry.
I swear that guy's an idiot. He's a fool.
Just let me.
Who could that boy be?
Are you stupid? You should have knocked!
I'm sorry about that. Please, if Ike comes back, tell him his agent wants to.
Can you just call his line? Call his phone and tell him that yourself.
His numbers are switched off.
You know what? Don't worry, just leave. I will let him know. I will tell him.
Okay, thank you very much.
Go! Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please. I am so stubborn. You're so silly. Forgive me. I'm sorry. All right, please.
I have to go now. I'm
Please.
sorry.
Please wait a little longer.
I have to.
Go on. Listen. Everything is fine. Just wait a little longer, please.
I have to get.
Go on. Come on, just hold. Wait a little longer, please. But you can't just live like. You can't live like this. Bond! I just hate this Austin guy.
Hey, baby. So,
Bond,
yes?
what is going on? I've been calling you since morning and you have not been picking your calls.
Come on. How can you say you've been calling me and I've not been picking your calls? See, my phone has been on flight mode because I was bored, okay?
Of course, you always give excuses. Anyways, let's go home. I need to tell you something.
It's okay. You just find somewhere around here, sit down and talk.
What happened to your place?
Come on, come. Just hang out somewhere here, okay? Barman!
Barman, can we please talk about why we're here?
I don't understand. What is your problem?
What is my problem?
Yes.
Money is my problem. I need money. Huh? Don't act as if you don't know.
But I have told you I am working on it.
Bond,
Huh?
people don't work on money. They make money. I need money. I need to pay for my house rent, my fees. I need money. Please.
You need to give me time, please. I need little time. I'm working on it. Just little time, please. Please stop now, stop. You need to stop this. Huh? What's going on? Huh?
Bond, let me go. At least another man can take care of me.
CB, you need to stop this nonsense. You need to stop this drama you're putting on. I don't just like it.
Don't call it a drama. Bond, look at me. This is not even my real color. I need to be taken care of. I need money.
Okay, see. I have a surprise for you. You will like it. I cross my heart, you will like it. Come, let's go. Fine. You need to tell me what you need this money for.
I told you. I want to pay for my house rent and my fee.
I don't believe you. You are not telling me the truth. Listen, I want to know the truth. What do you need this money for? That you are pressing so hard for it like this?
What do you want me to tell you again? I said I want to use it for my house rent. What else do you want me to tell you now?
B, you're not telling me the truth. Tell me the truth. Listen, if you don't tell me the truth, I'm not listening to you. And I'm not going to do anything for you.
Okay, fine. I'm pregnant for you.
You are pregnant for me.
Yes. What do you want me to tell you?
What are you doing?
Yes. Don't even try. Don't even try it. Don't even try it. Just go in there and call your sister for me.
Now listen to me and listen very good. You are not living with this car until you pay every single money you borrowed from my sister. Take it from me.
Who is this one? I've already reported your case to the police and all your assaults. So don't even go there. Don't even try me. Because you'll be arrested.
Do I look like I'm scared of the police? No, do I look like I'm scared of the police?
Okay.
Now look at my eyes. All eyes. You disgust me and I hate you. Yes. You deceived my sister and collected every single one she saved. And I mean it when I say you must pay every single dime before you take this car to this compound.
Who is this one? Who are you? You're just a little boy. See, you little boy. Just listen, I don't have your time. I don't have time to exchange words with you. Do you understand? All I want you to do is go in there and call your sister for me. Because there's no time again at all.
Me little boy. Ma, what no balance in the week. If you don't pay that money, this guy is not living here.
Who said it? Who said? No. Who said?
Please don't start this again.
Go in this car. Don't hit it again. Don't hit it again.
Udo.
Allow me to deal with this man.
And you, go in there and get my documents for me.
You're still talking.
Else I call the police to arrest
You're still talking.
Hey,
you're still talking.
Shut
You're
up.
still.
Keep quiet, my friend. Little boy. Moro Bogi.
Mr. Man, I advise you leave here. You know my brother. He's here the Seriama.
Your brother or Dick Tiger?
He will.
Eh?
Wait.
Your brother or Tabulago?
Oh, okay.
Also your brother. Try it. No, try it.
Stay clear.
Try it. Kamaki go to bash. Hey, don't try. Don't just try it. Okay. I will rush to the town and run around for some money and bring it.
I think you know about mobile transfer. Transfer that money to my sister.
Are you trying to steal from me or what?
I don't care whatever I call it. I do not care. Look at my sister. She needed that money. Transfer that money. You think I'm joking?
Wait. Are you trying to steal from me? What are you trying to do? Hey, don't. Okay. Hold on. Let's let me...
Do it now. You're wasting my time. Do it.
You. Okay.
My account number is still in your phone, I guess.
Your account number, go there.
I mean, if you don't have it, I can call the number for you.
Don't worry, I know how to handle you people. Especially you. You must be arrested. Don't worry. I want to get my car burnt. You can't even buy spoke.
I can't buy a spoke. But I'll burn this.
Shut up, my friend. Come on, keep. See, your spirit is disturbing the network. You see, just keep quiet.
My spirit is disturbing the network. As long as I'm concerned.
I've done it.
Show it to me.
I've done it.
Okay, let me run inside and check if the alarm.
Remove your
dirty
hand from my car.
Okay.
Remove your dirty hand from my car.
Okay. Another trick than for me to use this car. Take this thing out of this place.
If you hit that thing, don't try and hit it again.
I said take this thing out of this place. Now!
Fool, I tell you to try, you try. You're just a fool.
Take this out of...
Fool, come on.
You're waiting for me.
Hit. Just. I tell you to hit, you're hitting. Animal, kangaroo.
Come out of this compound. What's it, sir? Come on here. I got my chicken. You don't have to try here next time. Because I know me, I do like this. I know me now. And my father will go look for you, will like to because next time you can try here. And then why you give me then? I would everybody sister kick me like this. Idiot. Another trick than for me to use that nonsense. Next time, don't worry.
Bond, I told you I'm pregnant and you didn't say anything.
What do you want me to say? Huh? No, what do you want me to say?
Look, I don't know what you have to do, but you need to do something very fast. Because if my father finds out that I'm pregnant, he will shoot us.
Come, sit down. See, that's something I'm working on, seriously. And I'm expecting a big money from it. Once I get the money, we will leave this country. We can go to maybe Cameroon or Ghana, anywhere.
Are you sure?
How can you be asking me that?
I know why I'm asking you.
I'm very sure, okay? I'm very much sure. Come on, let me see it. I love the smile. This is my baby. Oh.
If you love your niece, tell her to bring my documents for me. Because I can do silly things when I'm very angry. Did you just hear what I said?
And it will fill your miserable mouth with dirty sand. Do you hear what I'm saying? If you don't turn this car and get out of here, I'll cut you to pieces with this cutlass and sacrifice your head to the gods of this land. Now get out. I say leave.
I will come back with police.
Go, idiot. Go and come back with battalion. Come with army. Come with navy and whatever you have. You're not even great. Come on, get out of here before I cut this your miserable car.
If I don't get this marriage certificate, what will I tell Anna? I think I have to go to the city and get some policemen. But would they be of help? Would they just be of help?
Where are you coming from?
From our house.
That one is not the problem here. Ego, what is this that I'm hearing about your brother and his wife, Belinda?
Nneka, what did you hear? Because you're always hearing something.
It's not my fault, so I heard that your brother sent his wife back to his father's house and his brother-in-law Udo now broke his head with butt. Is that not true?
Udo broke his head.
Ego, stop pretending as if you don't know. I know you know. I also heard that Udo beat your brother up like a little boy.
Nneka. Nneka. Do you know my problem with you? In fact, it's a very big problem you have. that you like gossip more than every other thing on this earth. Why?
By the way, I heard that you traveled to the city. Hey, girl, you know my friend. What did you bring for me now?
I did not bring anything for you. Yes.
Ego, don't tell me that you did not bring anything for me. What's that one?
Because it's true. Please don't be offended. I bought something for you from the city. Something you will like. Wait. Close your hand. Close it. I open it. Yeah. I bought gossip for you because you like it so much.
Take your gossip.
Hey, come over here.
Common biscuits you cannot buy for somebody. Metona akpom friend. You will lock ni isi ka akuwa. Aka ya akuwa eze.
I heard it was her brother who attacked you yesterday.
Where is Mama?
She went for a meeting.
Tell her I'm going back to the city.
Just like that?
Yes.
Dikeh, I've told you to go inside there. Take the envelope.
Papa, I do not have that time.
Huh?
But I did not answer me.
What is it?
What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this?
What is it? Is that supposed to be a greeting or what?
Wait. So if I had walked in with a visitor, he would see this rubbish going on here.
Your visitor, they chop food. All they didn't eat. That visitor, he doesn't eat.
Wait. Did you leave anything on the fire?
Oh, not those.
Hi, God. What is wrong with you? Eh? Do you know you could have burnt this house? What is your problem?
Yeah. Don't spit into my food. Rubbish. Rubbish. Bring this plate inside.
Hey, whoa. Lemon kita gulenwe. What is this? Hey. Lemon kita gulenwe. This is my dog. Chimpanzee.
Yes. My cousin, the one I told you about that said he likes you. The one from my maternal home. Yes, he asked after you and I wish he will come to see you. Belinda, did you hear what I said? I served Ike and his mother like a slave. You won't believe how they treated me. Yes, I had to prepare your food first.
Oh my God. So if I had walked in with a visitor, he would see my house dirty.
Sweetie, I'm almost done.
Where is Mama?
She's sleeping.
And you were there. It didn't occur to you to wake her up to eat.
Sweetie, your mother is not a child. Besides, when I woke her up yesterday, she warned me not to do it again.
Do not just give me that silly excuses. You're supposed to take care of everything and everybody in this house.
I'm sorry.
Please give me my food to eat. I'll try to wake Mama up to eat too. Be fast, please, be fast. What is this?
It's rice.
Rice?
Yes, rice.
I ate rice yesterday for breakfast, and you're giving me rice again to eat.
Darling, you told me to be preparing rice for you every day.
My friends, just shut up. Just shut up. Who told you?
Sorry. What would you like to eat?
Let me swallow.
Okay.
I'm waking Mama up to eat too.
Is it going to take you the whole year to bring the food? Eh? Bring the food now. I do. Okay, now you've brought the food. Where is the water for me to wash my hand? Where is the water? Am I going to wash it on your head? Yeah?
Honey, take it easy. I know we'll bring water for you to wash your hands.
No, did you just stop back at me? Did you just stop back at me? Now, voila.
Did you just hit me?
If you talk again, I'm going to tear you into pieces now. You have got the mouth.
What's the noise all about? Oh, give me.
Mama, can you imagine this animal?
Yes.
She brought this food here. No water for me to wash my hand. Now, you and
No, that is not good. Hey, go and get him water to wash his hands.
Oh yeah, CHIZYY dirty me. And people get my food.
Now go
and get water. Get my food too.
Shift it so that when my own comes.
It's already shifted. It's already shifted.
You like repeating what I said. I said shift. You could have said you have already moved it.
It's already shifted.
Move it then.
Where? Give me.
What can I be for? Is this rice?
Obviously, Mama, it is rice.
Yeah! You brought rice for me to eat. Eh? Because go and get me good food.
What, Mama? I told you when I was preparing the rice.
You said you were cooking rice. Did you tell me the rice was being cooked for me? Did you ask me what I wanted to eat? Because believe her, wait, let me take the meat first. Oh yeah, blue. Next thing now, you will not bring proper meat as well. Eat this meat. Tie your own. Save this one here.
Just want to test it.
Nothing else. You did not let me even look at your own.
Why like gun?
It's nice, eh? Open it, open it. Open it. Gary, how can you bring Gary for me when you brought apple for my son? You can carry this thing away from here. I want to eat a good meal in my son's house. Please take this thing out of here. Gary, what's the meaning of that? That I'm a lesser human being or what? If you don't have anything better, carry it away.
You know what? Go and prepare porridge for her.
Come on.
There is no yam in this house. The apple is finished.
There's money in the drawer. Take it, rush to the market and go and buy yam.
I'm not you fried something dry.
Come taste good in the
skin, skin.
You're very stingy.
Oh, look at you. I'm sorry. Can you be and allow me?
This is where my kindness and humility brought me to. I wish there is something I can do. I wish there is something I can do to make them feel the same pains they are making you feel right now. This is too much. This is too much to be forgiven. I know that God will surely punish him. God will punish him. It's okay. Please, let us go out and take a walk.
I don't want to step out of this house.
Okay, let's go to my house and play Scrabble. I just want you out of this mood.
I saw them kissing in your living room.
Oh, stop it. You can just stop it.
Why are you saying this? Eh? Is it because you don't like my wife? That's why you're accusing her of cheating? Ken, stop shouting and ask her, who is that guy to her?
Homebreaker! Homebreaker, that is what you are. Yes. Oh, wait. You think everyone is like your wife that sleeps with her boss in the office?
What?
Oh, yes. That is what she does. See, her boss is my cousin. And most times, she gets laid in the office.
No!
Calm down, let me give you the full gist, eh? Whenever you're not around, she calls him on the phone to come bed her on your matrimonial bed.
My wife?
Mba, my husband.
No.
Now you know.
No! No!
Okay, Sabapo. Yeah, look at this man. Maybe people didn't believe him. Because he's a liar. Yes. Ha! I can't do what he's telling you. You know I love you. I love you very much. CHIZYY? What's up with you? And why you been home this early?
Same reason you are home. And now tell me, where is he?
He?
Yes.
Where is who?
Where is who?
I am asking you, where is who?
This girl might just been trying to tear my home apart, as she has done to Ike's home. Yes. Yes.
Is her boss really your cousin?
I don't know her boss, so I don't even know his wife. But that is how to handle home breakers like him. Yes, I am sure by now his house will be on fire.
It's okay. I've been meaning to ask you this. How is our son?
He's fine. He's with my mom.
Your mom?
My mom.
I thought you said your mom is dead.
My godmother is dead, not my mom.
Oh. Okay, I'm so sorry about that. So sorry about that. So when are you going to bring him to live with us?
Is that the smart way of making me forget our marriage certificate I asked you about?
Oh no, I left it in a bag in the village.
Very well then. I'll peddle everything that has to do with our traveling. Yes, until I see that marriage certificate and your wife's death certificate.
I don't get it. What's with all the drama? Wait, hold on a second. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Like, were you in...
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry.
Okay, you're so impossible.
your stupid daughter? Where is that your daughter? Where is she? Point of correction. If anyone is useless here, it's a man who left his wife for another woman. Officer, that is the thief. Arrest him. Don't stay there. Hey. Stay there. Hey. Arrest him.
What has he done?
Papa, leave these people. If you touch me,
officer, shoot him.
Here.
Shoot him down.
No, now touch me now.
Arrest him and shoot him down.
Touch me.
What is going on here?
Near me.
What is going on here?
That's she. Arrest her.
What is going on here?
Arrest her, officer. Arrest her. Officer. If anybody, don't talk.
Wait.
Wait. If anybody near my sister, officer. So step back. Yeah, that's the lady. Arrest her now, please.
Hey, Mr. Man. What do you want from me?
It's not Mr. Man. Nkobo. Eh?
I don't have time for this.
Nkobo.
State your mission here, I will leave.
I want my documents.
Well, your documents are not here. Come back tomorrow. Excuse me.
If I come back here tomorrow and I did not get those documents.
Oh God, stop that threat.
I will bundle you to police cell.
Carry these people out with this carton and get out of this place.
Talk to your daughter.
Get
Mind
out.
your language.
Take this people out of this place.
Look at this kangaroo.
Me?
Look at this
Okay,
kangaroo.
carry this, your hungry policeman, and get out.
Otto John.
Get out too.
Don't worry, I'll deal with you.
Get out.
So
Carry
let's
this
go.
carton. Get out of this place. Imagine. Papa, don't talk to this idiot. Can you know my sister? Look at how beautiful my sister is. You honor my sister. When you're not fear. Okay, get out of this place now. Carry your hungry policeman. Get out now. Get out. I'm not putting this carton here. The good idiot take away my sister. The good idiot. Papa, only how is the idiot? Hey, I'm not going to find man. Hey. All right. I'm sorry.
Chioma, I want to ask Belinda to marry me.
Then, what are you waiting for? Let's go to her house.
You see, I don't want to make it look like I'm being too fast.
Too fast? You have to try. You have to try. I mean, there is no harm in trial.
Okay, if you say so,
Yes.
I'll definitely give it a shot.
I say so. So, let's go.
It's alright. Thank you. Alright. That's really nice. You gave me heart.
Don't you think this is too early? No, it's not too early. You need to come and say hi to him. You know what? Go and tell him that I'm not around. Please no, Belinda. You know I can't do that. You know I can't do that. And he has this sense of humor and he's going to make you laugh, you know. Let's go. Okay, fine. Let's go.
Good afternoon.
Wow, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Do you mind if I call you beautiful?
He said he wants to take us out.
I don't think I want to go anywhere with you. Sorry.
Then let me go out with you. Shall we?
Okay, fine.
Thank you.
I'll come back later. Are you sure you are okay? You can use our toilet. See you later. Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks for the outing.
It's a pleasure. Don't you think it's time you stay away from this village?
I can't think straight right now.
Everything will be all right.
Thank you.
Who is in this house? Who is in this house? Who is in this house? Who is here? Where's my document? Where are my documents?
Your documents?
Where are they?
Well, if you go to the back of the house, you will see your documents on the table.
We food now. We food now.
Okay.
So don't climb that step. Don't climb that step. Just leave it.
Hey! This woman is evil! Hey!
You can't follow it.
Hi! My documents!
You mean
Hi!
the documents?
Hey! Oh! Go! Hi! Officer, arrest this woman. This girl. Arrest her. Arrest her. Let's leave here.
Madam, you're under arrest.
Arrest her!
Hey,
If you say anything, shoot him down! Oh my God!
Don't touch me.
Shoot him down if you try anything!
Don't touch me.
Move it!
I will go on my own. Do not touch me.
Stand up. Come on, move her!
Don't touch me.
My rubbish! Your brain will be scattered.
Don't touch
Move
me.
her!
Okay, move.
Madam, move!
Don't touch me.
Stop
Let me take my time.
Push her! Try and what is it? Let's go. Let's go. Move.
Arrest officer!
Walk, madam!
Pusha, let's go. What's going on here?
You're welcome.
Sure, sir.
Sure, sir.
Yes.
Shift her, move her!
What are you doing here?
Sir, we are here to arrest this woman. She's troublesome.
May I see your warrant of arrest?
Show him your warrant of arrest.
Do you know who I am?
Arrest this fucker.
No.
Yes,
Do
sir.
you know?
Yes, sir.
Arrest this man
Arrest.
and bring him inside.
Do you know who I am?
Shut
Take him inside.
I say move.
Enter the
Shut
car.
up!
So when I don't carry
Enter,
warrant
enter.
arrest,
Hey,
I want
boys.
of arrest and come here.
Okay, stop wasting
Move it.
time.
Use considerable force on him.
Okay.
Enter. Fine.
Use considerable force on him.
Enter.
Nonsense. You go about intimidating people in their house.
Arrest. Arrest. Get out of here. You have seen a man now, you cannot talk.
I told you, didn't I?
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
It's okay. I have the situation under control.
Okay.
I'll come back later.
All right.
Thank
Take care of yourself. Take
you.
Because policeman, lock him up, bring the key. Come to the Iba. Lock him up, bring the key to me. Let me put it here. Eh?
They use why not on AC? AC for them now. This guy is supposed to suffer from this
They're
place.
supposed to bring that van, that police van.
Oh.
You can't add in us. Can dust to my hand in that. I'm not.
Papa even needs to hear this.
How
Papa
can
needs
you
to hear
imagine?
this.
And then make
It's not a celebration.
and then Koga, and then policeman, arrest her. Now he cannot even say anything.
Even the policemen, they didn't even come with warrant of arrest.
He doesn't. Ocho Kuiba Mota. A man arrest, so can I make it?
Papa needs to hear
Shut up,
this.
boy, sir.
Because of celebration.
Foolish man.
Mama, me ready, where are they? Stop the celebration.
Foolish man.
See? You see it? He just two.
Biko. Your son is in police custody. You're here doing pool and newspaper.
He just two, Koji got. Just two.
Papa!
Hey!
Papa!
Huh?
Please come, let's go and pay my brother from the police station. Me, I don't want him to sleep there.
Hey!
Come and see pool. Go.
It's obvious you want your son to die there.
Hey!
No problem. Since he's not going to bail him, I'll go and bail him myself.
Hey, Mama, please.
But before then...
Mama, please, let's go.
Look at this woman now. Maybe now you caught this girl. Eh? You caught this girl. Nonsense. Look at. Just two, I would have become a millionaire.
Hey. I think I like this. And I'm enjoying it. You people have not started running yet. This is just the beginning.
Papa. Mama, they have arrested Mama.
Ego. They have arrested Mama. That is good for her.
Mama, that is good.
Uh-huh.
Mama, come, let's go and pay Mama. If not, she will die there.
Let her die there. If she dies there, I will go and carry her corpse and bury it.
Papa. Mama, you are wicked. Instead of you to come, let's go and pay Mama. You are saying this. Mama, you must follow me to the police station and let's go and pay Mama. And you are here eating coconuts when Mama is in the police station.
Oh yes. When the ear refuses to take heed, if the head is chopped off, the ear will go with it.
Mama, you must follow me to the police station.
Huh?
You must follow me.
It's alright. Okay, it's alright. I've had it. It's alright. Okay, let me.
Follow me to the police station.
No, is it not what you want? I will join you. Let's go.
Papa!
No, nobody's after me. Neka, my mother. If nobody helps my mother, she will die.
What's going on, Neka? What happened to your mother? Is your mother sick?
No, my mother is not sick. Oh. It's my brother. The police has arrested him.
Police?
Yes.
For what? What did he do? Eh?
Is it not that his wicked wife, Belinda Kanapoyagene, that sent one of her concubines to arrest my brother? And when my mother went to bail him, they arrested her too.
Ego, see, as long as this case has something to do with your brother's wife, I am very, very sorry. My father would not want to be involved.
Neka, why are you sounding like this now? See, I'm here because of your father. Let me talk to your father to help us, please.
Ego, what about your own father?
Neka, please forget about my father. We're not talking about my father here. Neka, please. Help me talk to your father. You are my last hope. I know you can do something.
Ego, my father is not around.
I can wait.
No, start going.
Ego, you're my friend though.
Ego, Nama, no, you're not now.
Neka, it's me.
Ego, now, go, start going now.
You cannot do this. Neka, please. Now it's me, Ego. I thought you're my friend. I can wait. I'm following you.
Yes. Oh, Jay. No, I will talk to her. I'll talk to her. I just want you to be patient with me. Little patient, please. Okay. Okay, I will.
Choma, please. Can I talk to you?
No. No, you can't talk to me.
Choma, please calm down. This is not time for this. See, I want you to please help us. No, me, my brother, all of us in the family. Please help us talk to Belinda.
My brother, all of us.
Please, help us talk to Belinda.
See, Ego. Read my lips. I will never, I repeat, I will never do such a thing. Excuse me.
Choma, you're overreacting. It's not what you think. Why is she taking it so personal? Hey, I'm finished though. I'm finished though. What will I do now? Who do I go to? Nobody. Please, don't be angry. Are you coming from your house? No. Is your sister at home?
Who wants to see my sister, and what do you want to see my sister for?
Is my mother? No. Me. Yes, me. I want to see her. Please, Udo, help me talk to your sister.
Get out of my sight before I do to you what you and your devilish family did to my sister. Get out!
Please, I'm sorry.
Sorry for what? Sorry for what? Don't you ever talk to me about my sister. You hear me? Get out of my sight. Out!
Honey, my love, how are you? What? Honey, what's the meaning of this?
You really think you can ruin my life? Oh God, men are evil. I mean, every man is evil. Meet me inside.
But you just give me a slap like that for what reason?
Honey! You're welcome. Look at you. Stunning. You've changed a lot. I've really missed you.
Excuse me, who are you?
Honey, listen. You're not going to stand here and pretend that you don't know her. Because she told me everything already.
Everything?
Yes, everything.
Like what? Honey, I don't know this lady. I have never met her in my life. Please, who are you?
Come on, sweetheart, stop it.
Stop this sweetheart thing and tell me who you are.
Oh my. Have you not noticed anything? The changes in my body?
What are you talking about?
You should be happy. My sister here is happy that we're going to have a baby.
Baby? What? Wait. Who sent you?
Stop this, sweetheart. I am pregnant.
Now, you stop this drama, okay? Stop it!
I think you should be the one to stop and just stop it!
Honey?
Yes. I don't get it. Like, what do I call this drama series? And how many episodes we've had already? Or how many more should they be expecting? I should have known that you and that godforsaken friend of yours are birds of the same feathers.
Honey? Who are you? What's wrong with you? Honey? Look! Why are you laughing?
Oh my honey.
Honey? Honey? No, honey.
I could have sworn that all men are not the same.
You confirmed it. I told you.
Sister, can I have a word with you?
No, you cannot have a word with me because I am upset. Easily when you win. Yes, these men played the first one on us. When Ken was advising me about Dikeh, hell, I thought he was any better. But they are all dogs.
Sister, wait, can I talk? Can I have a
I
word
said
with
you cannot
Sister,
have a
come
word
now,
with me.
sister, come.
I didn't only see that girl. I saw her wearing a sexy wear, lying carelessly on the cushion. Nya, come and enter.
Sister, come now.
She's
No,
there.
nice food. Let's go.
I don't want to eat. Allow me to talk. I saw her there. I saw her.